Hello everyone, in this video we will be going to see how to create the pile foundations using the plugins. Okay, so we'll go to the apps and first we'll connect to the API and then we'll go to the plugins. So in plugins we have marketplace where we have already developed the plugins. So in that we can use the group pile plugin to create the pile foundations. Okay, so we can just run this plugin. So these plugins are nothing but like the ready-made templates where we can just feed the data and quickly generate the model for the pile foundations. So here we will be having the groups, so that we can see from the groups, structure group as well as the boundary group, and here we will specify the material properties for the pile as well as the section property for the pile. And if you want to create the pile cap, we can also check on this option so that we can provide the pile cap materials as well as the pile cap sections. Okay, and then pile cap start node we can just hit on auto, and we can give this node as 37010. Okay, and then we'll be giving the number of piles in the longitudinal direction as well as the transverse direction, and we can specify the spacings. Okay, so 2 times of the diameter, and edge distance we can specify as 1 meter. Okay, and then pile diameter will give as 0.5. We can go for 2.5 times of diameter, and pile length we can give as 10 meters, and pile cap height we can give as 1 meter. Okay, and then here we can select the node for which we want to create the pile foundations. Using select single we can select this node. Okay, before creating the pile foundations we also need to specify the node local axis. So if there is any orientation in the pile foundations, so we can specify the orientation about z axis if it is pile foundation is in exactly global or some 30 degrees or 40 degrees with respect to the global axis. We can specify the angle here and you can just hit on apply, and after applying the node local axis, again just you need to select the node and click on create. So then you will be having a quick validation check to review the data, and then if it is okay you can just hit on the create button. So it will be creating the pile foundations one by one. So first it has created the piles and then pile caps, and then so here you'll be getting group pile has been successfully created, and now we can also see the in the hidden view. Okay, so here the pile foundation has been created for that particular member.